sometimes it asks you for the instantaneous rate of change, that's the same thing. So what's the slope of the secant line the same thing as?
The
The average rate of change, good. So let's try to do it here. So we want to find the instantaneous rate of change at 4. So that's the point. 4 comma, what do we get when we plug in 4?
4.
Yeah, I think it's 20. Yeah. Good. And then what's the other point you plug in?
H plus 1.
No, not here, because the 1 isn't the x value.
H plus 4.
X plus 4.
Yeah. 4 plus h or whatever, h plus 4, however you want to write it. And now what will the y value be? F of 4 plus h. So I'm just going to plug it in right now. So this is 2 times 4 plus h squared minus 3 times 4 plus h. Does that make sense?
Mhm.
All right, so now what should we do? Yeah, let's FOIL this whole thing out. So why don't you guys try to FOIL it out?
H squared plus
Sorry.
wait, would it be when you multiply the 4s, wouldn't it be oh, there is 6. I only saw the 6. You're good.
Oh,
You were
sorry.
standing for the 1 and I thought it was 6.
Yeah. Are we okay with that part?
Yeah.
So now let's combine some like terms here. So I'm just gonna like write it in order. 2h squared, and then you see how we really have 13h,
Mhm.
and then 20. So all that, all we did was find the y value. We didn't even do the slope yet, right? So now we're gonna set it up, and remember that we're gonna be taking a limit, right? As h approaches 0. So take the limit as h approaches 0, and we're just going to set this up with slope. So, oops, not crayon.
And
Sorry.
that-
This one, oh god, that looks so hard to see. Sorry.
It's,
So like this y value minus this y value.
which is 2h squared minus plus 13.
Oh god, can you just take one second? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Alright, so we just do this, 2h squared plus 13h plus 20 minus 20 over this minus that, won't that just be h? Do you see how that's going to cancel?
Yeah.
And then h will cancel? And then what do you do?
We plug in 0.
And then what do you end up with?
13.
Yeah, so that's the slope of the tangent line.